example, this box is foldable and collapsible. It's easy to handle and to open it like this. The loading capacity is over 1,000 kilograms. The whole body is made by the virgin HDPE, and it's easy to fold and open like this. It also can make a lid for on the top box. We also have the small windows. It's open to it's easy to open. It's for heavy duty, something like the vegetables or the fruits, or onion, apple, watermelon. There are so many customers to use this box, this container to load their products, and it's easy to handle. It's also easy to moving. There are 3 runners on the bottom. It's easy to use the forklift. You can see there are so many holes on the side wall. This can we also have the full closed, full smooth walls of these boxes. This is our plastic collapsible container.